Welcome to Vuoksi, the city of Imatra in Finland. Mikko Saareila is having Canon 5D Mark III DSLR camera, Huki-Ford housing and substronic strobes. For this dive he is using fisheye lens and dome port. Seppo, Mikko and I are going to the water and we make sure that our diving equipments are okay and there is no any leaks in our underwater housings, strobes and lights. After that we can start to follow the permanent guideline to the wreck of the power station of Linnakoski. It's middle of June and there is lots of pollen on the water, which makes the water even murkier. Water itself in the Vuoksi is brownish. Seppo is having Canon PowerShot G9 digital camera, backlight housing and strobes. Mikko is putting the right settings to his strobes. The power station of Linnakoski was built in 1900 and it was shut down at 1928. It was built up for making the electricity of water from Vuoksi to the local carbide factory. Most part of the Vuoksi is having a very strong flow, which makes it perfect place for the power station. The wreck of the power station building is 100 meter, 300 feet long and 20 meter, 60 feet wide. Maximum depth is 10 meter, 30 feet. There are 24 turbine shafts where the turbines have taken away after the power station was closed. Now Mikko is penetrating inside one of the turbine shafts and Seppo and I are following him. The power station was made of wood. After the station was closed, all the metal parts like turbines have taken away. South part of building is open from the bottom where water was released away from the turbine shafts. Mikko is coming out from the turbine shaft. Now it's Seppo's turn to come out, but first he's shooting some pictures upwards. Here you can see 3 shafts side by side. All these wooden constructions have been underwater over 80 years. Now we are penetrating inside the new turbine shaft, which diameter is smaller than the first ones. This place is eastern part of the power station building where the flow is stronger. That's why there is no any mud in the bottom of the Vuoksi. Now we are heading west with the northern part of the power station building. Mikko shows how the workers have trimmed the flow of water to the turbines with this kind of valves. Last underwater posing for this dive. Maximum depth was 8 meter 25 feet. Average depth was 5 meter 15 feet. Dive time was 1 hour. Air temperature was 22 Celsius 72 Fahrenheit and water temperature was 12 Celsius 54 Fahrenheit.